Good morning, students. Today we have to do the poem The Silent Snake. And you can see it's written here anonymous. What does it mean? It means we don't know who has written this. Okay, we don't know the writer. Anonymous means we don't know the writer who has written this. So before starting the poem, we must know the difficult words. Okay, so what do you mean by fluttering? Means flapping of wings. So before starting the poem, you must know the difficult words. Fluttering means flapping of wings. And mayflies, you can see here, it's given winged insects that live close to water. Okay, mayflies means the insect that live close to water, and dip means to move up and down. Dip means to move down. While these creatures, what do you mean by these creatures? Creatures means we talk as this poem is about the movements and sound of animals and birds. Creature means in this poem means birds and animals play and leap. Okay, this we will explain. The silent snake goes creepy creep. And next is the difficult word dumb. What do you mean by dumb? Means silent. Here, dumb means silent. Okay, dumb means silent. And grass is deep means tall and thick grass. Now, students, let's start the poem. I will show you the animation also. Before this, you must know the just how to say this. The birds go fluttering in the air. The rabbits run and skip. Brown squirrels race along the bough. The mayflies rise and dip. But while these creatures play and leap, the silent snake goes creepy creep. So you must know, as this poem is about the sounds and movements of birds and animals they make, so the birds go fluttering in the air. You know the movement of birds? Birds, what do birds do? Birds fly in the air. Fluttering means by flapping of wings they fly. And the rabbits run and skip. And what rabbits do? Rabbits run and skip, running and jumping. And brown squirrels race along the bough. Race along means they move through the branches along the branches. Bough means the branches of the tree. And the mayflies. Mayflies means the insect that live close to water. And the mayflies, they rise and dip. Means they live close to water and where they just move up and down. While these creatures play and live, and when these creatures, the birds and animals, they play and leap. Leap means jump. They are playing and jumping and flying. But what does the snake do? Okay, and the silent snake goes creepy creep. Silent snakes, okay, silent snake, what does it do? The silent snake goes creepy creep means move along the ground with no sound. It crawls along the ground from side to side but without making any sound. And the birdies sing and whistle loud. The busy insects hum, the squirrels chat, the frogs say croak, but the snake is always dumb. With not a sound through grasses deep, the silent snake goes creepy creep. So the birdies, what birds do? Birds fly, and what sound they make? They sing and whistle loud. Okay, they are chirping and singing, making whistling sound. And the busy insects. What insects are doing every time? Hum. Hum means to make a low sound. जैसे हम बोल देते हैं गुनगुनाना. Okay? They make the humming sound, a very low sound. And the squirrels chat. The frogs say croak. What squirrel sound? What does squirrel? Which sound squirrel make? Chat. And the frogs say croak. But the snake is always dumb. Means the snake is silent. It doesn't make any sound. It goes along. The grass is deep with not a sound through grasses deep means very thick and tall grasses. And it when it was going to the grasses also without making any sound. Okay. Snake is always dumb. Means without any sound, it goes creepy creep. Okay, it crawls along the ground from side to side without making any sound. So this is the poem about the movements and sound of animal and birds. So I'm going to show you the animation also. Just wait. Now see the animation of the poem. Just see the silent snake. The birds go fluttering in the air, means flying, and the rabbits run and skip. And brown squirrels, what they do? The brown squirrels race along the bow. Just see again. Race along the bow. Brown squirrels, the race along the bow means moving along the ground. They are just moving along, and the mayflies rise and dip. They are moving up and down while these creatures play and leave when they are playing. But the silent snake, what the silent snake does? When all the creatures are playing and leave, the silent snake goes creepy creep, means move along the ground. And the birds sing and whistle along, whistle out, and the squirrels chat. Frogs say croak. Snake is always dumb and with no sound through the grasses deep. And when the snake move along the grasses deep, very thick and tall grasses, it doesn't make any sound, and the silent snake goes creepy creep. Just see. Okay, this is the poem about the birds and animals. Okay, okay, thank you, students.